Good Friday morning, fellow high seas cruisers. Chris here, bringing you the latest cruise news and a real interesting question I'm going to have for my last story today. I got a couple of cruise news stories for you today, but the last one brings up so many questions. I just don't understand how they came to this conclusion, but we're going to get to that one. First up today, we're going to talk about MSC Cruise Lines. We're going to talk about their luxury cruise brand, Exploria Journeys. Their second cruise ship, the Exploria II, has just completed sea trials, was expected to go into service here in August of 2024, but now they've come out and said, hey, the ship is simply not going to be ready on time. We need more time. They've pushed it back now till September of 2024, and this has resulted in the cancellation of the first 5 cruises. The August 11th, August 19th, August 26th, September the 2nd, and the September the 9th sailings are the ones that have been canceled. Guests have already been notified of the cancellations. Arrangements are being made for those that wish to book over on Explorer 1 to have their cruise moved over or to rebook later on for Explorer 2, depending on what their choice is. Construction delays for cruise ships, that's nothing new. We've seen several cruise lines delay their inaugural sailings, have to cancel the first couple of cruises simply because the ships aren't ready. Even MSC's luxury line, Explorer 1, they were delayed by 2 weeks, but it does seem to be something that is happening a little more often. So if you're booking that very first cruise on a brand new cruise ship, well, just remember there's always a possibility that it could get canceled, could get moved because the ship just isn't ready yet. Next up, Princess Cruise Lines. Well, they're offering guests an opportunity to earn double cruise points on some upcoming cruises this year. So they're calling it the Captain Circle Accelerator Loyalty Program. It's going to be running for 4 months this year, starting August the 1st, 2024, and going through December the 1st, 2024. And this is going to be for any guests sailing on a Princess cruise between those time frames and either purchases the Princess Premier package or the Princess Plus package will receive double points for their cruise. So for those cruise passengers that already purchased Princess Plus and Princess Premier as part of their cruise, happen to be sailing here at the end of this year, you can look forward to some double points. If you haven't purchased one of those 2 upgraded packages, and maybe you're just a couple of points shy of going up to the next level, well, it could be an opportunity for you to get a few extra points on a cruise that you may have already booked. All right, and finally, for our last story, and I guess the one that's going to come with the biggest questions, at least for me. So, riddle me this. You are protesting fossil fuels. You're a protester. You want fossil fuels gone. You want a treaty sign that say all fossil fuel usage will be stopped by 2023. And the way that you protest and demonstrate that you want this is by trying to destroy and deface national monuments, heritage sites, works of art. I guess I just don't get it. How does that support your cause? I'm just trying to think of how I would see the situation. So you have protesters, they deface something important, a historical site, because they don't want fossil fuels. That doesn't make me want to go, wow, I hope fossil fuels go away. I'm glad they showed me this. It really makes me think, wow, I hope they take these fools, lock them in a dark hole somewhere, and they never again see the light of day. Now, you're probably saying, what is he rambling on about now? But there's a protest group out there called Just Stop Oil. They're over in UK, and yep, their plan or their goal is to have the incoming government signed a legally binding treaty that ends the use of all fossil fuels by 2023. But how do they get their point across? By doing something like this. So they went out to Stonehenge, a historical site, had orange paint inside fire extinguishers and were spraying orange paint on Stonehenge. Then you have this picture of 2 of them sitting in front of Stonehenge with the orange paint on the rocks, just looking like they're, I don't know, proud or defiant in front of what they just did. So again, I ask, How does this make anybody feel like we should stop using fossil fuels? Now, these two, they were arrested. They were arrested for criminal damage, damaging an ancient monument, and deterring a person from engaging in lawful activity. Now, this is not their only actions. They broke into an airport. They sprayed the orange paint on two private jets that were there. They smashed the glass over the Magna Carta in the British Museum. And they attacked the Mona Lisa and Van Gogh's sunflowers. And I know this is not cruise related news, but these are the types of places, the types of sites that people are traveling like to go see. These are World Heritage sites, ancient monuments, works of art that are being attacked and defaced by protesters over fossil fuel. So I asked the protest group, hey, clown shoes, please tell me how you attacking the Mona Lisa makes me want to stop using fossil fuel. Please tell me how attacking Stonehenge makes people want to stop using fossil fuel. Or does doing things like that really make people want to hunt you down and put you in a dark hole somewhere so you can sit there and think maybe you should reconsider some of your life choices? But what do y'all think? Do these actions make you think anything about fossil fuel? I mean, is there some hidden point to this that maybe I just don't get? If there is, let me know in the comments below because I'm really curious. All right, and that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.